How to contact Aegean Airlines customer service online. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can contact Aegean Airlines customer service online. The first step, of course, is to log in into your account. Once you're logged in and you're brought to the page, you can see different things that you can carry out on Aegean Airlines. Cool stuff, alright? You can rent an hotel together with your flight, you can rent a car and all of that. And then once you can see that, at the top part of the screen, towards the right side, you can see the option titled Help and Contact. So just go ahead and click on that. Now, after clicking on the Help and Contact page, you'll be taken to a page where you would see the option How can we help you? Alright, so this is basically the help center. So there are different ways to contact support. You can decide to type out your question here, and then after typing out your question, articles that have addressed that question would be displayed to you. All you need to do is to read through the article and then you receive answers. For example, this is your question: what should I do if my baggage is delayed or lost? Here is the answer that has been displayed, and then if the answer is okay by you, you can click on yes, but if not, you can click on no, and then you'll be asked to give a feedback on the answer. Click on submit. Then responses will be given to you through your email, and a better option will be given to you. The other thing, or another way, if you cannot find answer, is by scrolling down to the last part of the screen where you can see options, okay, such as compliment, suggest, and then email. So by making use of this email, you can just ask your question directly to the customer support, and then responses would be sent to you, or your response will be sent to you through your email. All right, it could take a while, but definitely your answer will be sent. You can see the right top here which says send us your request, tell us how we can help you, and we will assist you the soonest. So yeah, you can just go ahead and fill the form, enter in all of the details, enter in your question, fill in the captcha, click on submit, and then your question will be looked into and answers will be provided through your email. So these are the various ways. And another way is by contacting them on social media, either on Facebook Messenger, on Instagram, or on Twitter. So, and the another thing is to call. All right, the call center operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So this is the telephone number, so you can just make a call for faster responses. So this is it. All right, this is how you can contact Aegean Airlines customer service. Thanks for watching and have a good time.